Hi, this is Universe Addicted. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, this is Universe Addicted. In the earlier video, we have seen how stars form, what are their stages. In today's video we gonna see about their types. Stars are classified by their spectra, means the elements that they absorb and their temperature. Most of the stars are classified under the Morgan-Keenan system or MK system, which classified the stellar spectra and their types. In today's we gonna see the classification of stars in detail. Before going into the video, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. The star spectral class classified under the letters O, B, A, F, G, K and M. A sequence from hottest star O to coolest star M. And these each letter is then subdivided into numerical digit from 0 to 9, which means 0 being hottest and 9 being coolest. Whereas the luminosity of stars are being added in the Roman numerals to the letters. Class 0 is used for hypergiants, Class 1 is used for supergiants, Class 2 is used for bright giants, Class 3 is used for regular giants, Class 4 is used for subgiants, Class 5 is used for main sequence star, Class 6 used for subdwarfs and Class 7 is used for white dwarfs. Now we can see the different classes of stars. Class O type. Class O type stars or bluish-white star are very hot and extremely luminous star in the universe. Their temperature typically of 25,000 to 50,000 Kelvin. O-type are most massive because O-type stars have very hot cores and easily burn their hydrogen fuel and quickly leaves the main sequence stage and turn into supergiants. Their spectral lines are mostly ionized helium. Main sequence star in this class type is very rare. Next, Class B type. Class B type stars are very luminous and bluish-white stars. Their temperature typically between 10,000 to 30,000 Kelvin. B-type stars are similar to O-type stars, they only live for a relatively short time. Their spectral lines are mostly neutral helium and moderate hydrogen lines. Main sequence star in this class type is rare. Class A type. Class A type stars are main sequence stars and they are white or bluish-white star. Their temperature between 7,500 to 10,000 Kelvin. They have a strong hydrogen spectral lines. Next, Class F type. Class F stars are common main sequence stars. Their temperature typically between 6,000 to 7,500 Kelvin. F-type stars are yellow-white star. They have a strong hydrogen spectral lines because they still fusing the hydrogen. Class G type. Class G stars are common main sequence stars. Their temperature typically from 5,200 to 6,000 Kelvin. G-type stars are yellowish-white stars. They still at the stage main sequence stage, so they have strong hydrogen spectral lines and moderate calcium spectral lines. Next, Class K type. Class K stars are slightly cooler than the G-type stars. K-type stars are also have main sequence stars and supergiant stars. Their temperature between 3,700 to 5,200 Kelvin. K-type stars are orange or yellowish-orange stars. They have weak hydrogen spectral lines and mostly as neutral metals in their spectral lines. And then the last, Class M type. Class M stars are very common stars and they are red dwarf and red giant stars. They are most common type of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Their temperature typically between 2,400 to 3,700 Kelvin. M-type stars are reddish stars. They have a very weak hydrogen spectral lines and they mostly as neutral metals in their spectral lines. And these are the different classification of the stars. Using these we can classify an star. For example, Sun is G25 star. In this, G is the spectral class of the star and 2 refers to the temperature and 5 refers to the luminosity class, a main sequence star. And now we have come to the end of the video. If you love the video, like, share and comment.